You're thinking about switching to Monzo, right? Maybe you've heard about its sleek app, the fancy budgeting tools, or perhaps the promise of fee-free spending abroad. But there's one question burning in your mind: how much can I actually transfer online with Monzo? Let's dive in. First things first, Monzo doesn't impose a limit on how much you can transfer into your account. You can transfer as much as you want, whenever you want. It's like having a bottomless money pit, in a good way. So, if you're thinking about moving a big chunk of your savings over, go for it. Monzo welcomes your money with open arms. Now, let's talk about transferring out of your Monzo account. Here, things get a little more interesting. The standard daily limit for transferring money out of your Monzo account is £10,000. That's a pretty hefty sum, and it should cover most people's needs. But what if you need to transfer more than that? Well, Monzo has you covered. You can actually request a limit increase. It's a simple process, and Monzo is usually pretty accommodating. So, if you're planning a big purchase or need to transfer a large amount of money for some other reason, don't panic. Just give Monzo a call or send them a message in the app. They'll be able to help you out. But wait, there's more. Monzo also offers a Wise integration, which allows you to make international transfers directly from your Monzo account. This is a game changer if you regularly send money abroad. And guess what? There's no limit on how much you can transfer using Wise. That's right, you can send as much as you want, to wherever you want, without any restrictions. Now, let's talk about some other transfer-related things you should know. Monzo offers a feature called Monzo.me, which allows you to request money from friends. This is great for splitting bills or collecting money for a group gift. The daily limit for Monzo.me is £10,000, so you can collect a fair amount of cash from your friends. And if you're a business owner, Monzo offers business accounts with higher transfer limits. So if you're running a company, you might want to consider switching to a Monzo business account to take advantage of these increased limits. To summarize, Monzo is pretty generous when it comes to transfers. You can transfer as much as you want into your account, and the standard daily limit for transferring out is £10,000. But don't worry, you can increase this limit if you need to. And if you're sending money abroad, the Wise integration is a fantastic option with no transfer limits. So, there you have it. You now know everything you need to know about transferring money with Monzo. It's a flexible and convenient way to manage your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.